Let's take a look here at this stormwater right here. You see it's going down a drain. Now, when this stormwater runs down and it goes into a drain, it's taking everything that is laying on the pavement down with it, and this is going right to the streams and the creeks and everything, and it's taking everything in its path along with it, and that's polluting the water. Can you see how it's going down? Even taking the leaves and everything else with it. Okay, now I'm going to show you another way that we can help from the water getting polluted. Okay, what we have here is a rain barrel. And most of you all are probably thinking, what in the world is a rain barrel? Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about a rain barrel. It is a container that holds runoff water that comes from the roof or downpour. It stores this water, and you can use the water however you choose, but I want you to know one thing. It is not safe to drink. Humans or animals cannot consume this water because it's not good for you. But it is good for the plants. As you see right here, this rain barrel has a nozzle that has the water comes out of, and it's easy to water your garden or anything in that nature. And look, for instance, the plants in here, when the water comes down, it's watering the plants. So, for instance, you really don't have to go in your house and get water out of the faucet, which is costing you money to water your plants. That's why we have rain barrels. They do the trick for us. Not only are they good for watering your plants, but also they're good for the environment. And you're probably thinking, how is that good for the environment? Well, let me tell you. If this wasn't here and the rain barrel wasn't here, then the water would be just coming down from the roof. And once the water is not soaked in, it's called storm water. And storm water takes anything in its path, like litter, garbage, cigarette butts, anything that's nasty, and it's going straight to that storm drain that I just showed you. Now, a rain barrel is good for the environment, and I would advise anyone to have one. Okay, as you can see here, this is not the same rain barrel that we looked at before. This is a different type of rain barrel. There's many different types of rain barrels, but you can use them in decorative ways, or you can use them for strict business. As you can see here, we have a hose right here, and you're probably wondering, why is that hose at the top of that? Well, it's your overflow. And as you can see, when the water gets up so high, this hose lets the other water come into this container. So you're not really wasting water, you're using it wisely. Now this nozzle right here at the bottom is used for her garden, of course, and she puts it in this container right here. So honestly, all this